Hello. Apparently I am ready for football season. What? Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. How are you today? I'm here to unbox my fall FabFitFun box. My computer is running very loudly. I don't know why, and I'm sure you can hear it. I apologize. I don't have a monitor. I use my computer as a monitor. So today we are here to unbox the fall FabFitFun box. I feel confident you know what FabFitFun is, but if you don't, for some reason, it is a quarterly subscription service. It's a mixture of lifestyle, beauty, home, sometimes fitness, all kinds of good things. The quarterly box is $49.99. You can also purchase an annual subscription and you get a little bit of a discount there. And the box value is usually like over $300. I was able to choose, I think, everything in this box. I don't remember what I chose. So let's open it up. I got this knife from Home Depot. It's Milwaukee. It's called a Fastback. And I love it. The box is 100% recyclable. There is always a $15 off your first FabFitFun box code in here. I feel confident. It's one-time use. I'm not sure. I always leave it in the description box, but just based on the way the code is formatted, I feel like it's one-time use. So if you want $15 off your first FabFitFun box, I will have that code listed in the description. First thing in here is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. I like the Elemis products that I've tried, and I haven't really been using a lot of exfoliators recently, and I probably should be. So I know Elemis is not a cheap brand. Let's just look up the price. How much is this? Is this a little dumb? Let's look up the price. Oh, this retails for $45. Next thing in here is from Gloss Modern, and this is a clean luxury hair mask. Let's see, Resplendent. Ooh, that is a word that is underused. Resplendent moisture treatment hair mask for instant gratification and soiree-worthy shine. Use weekly or daily and leave on hair as long as desired. Rinse, get glossed. You can leave it on overnight if you'd like. No, thank you. The 4 ounce is $65. This is a 3.4 ounce, so I'm not really sure exactly, but we'll say, you know, $60 probably. Oh, it smells kind of like chocolate, which I gotta be honest, I don't love. I don't want my hair to smell like chocolate, but I will still probably try it. We have a surprise. I don't know. This is a can of Heineken. Okay, this must be the sponsored extra this month. 0%. Oh, it's alcohol-free Heineken. I mean, that doesn't sound terribly exciting, but okay. Alright, next we have the Rhodial Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum Lift and Illuminate. I almost said laminate. That's wrong. If I recall, this is like $135. Yeah, this is a really high value item. I think that's partially why I chose it. But also, lifting. Can I put this on my body? I got some of the plastic off. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Triple Action Flash Radiant Serum for an immediate lift effect, even skin tone and luminosity with skin tightening enzymes, vitamin C, and diamond powder. Gently massage into a clean face, neck, and décolleté with uplifting strokes. For best results, use twice daily before your moisturizer. I love that it tells you when you need to use it, because I'm kind of a dummy, and sometimes I'm like, when am I supposed to, and sometimes I think, when am I supposed to use this? Before my skincare? After? I don't know. Okay, I have to get that off. That's driving me insane. Anyway, I'm curious to test that guy out for sure. We have a piece of jewelry from Jenny Bird. This is a bracelet. All I'm saying is, just take your jewelry off. Oh wow, this is super cute. I feel like this was also a really high dollar item. Jenny Bird, in like $130 or something. I don't know. It's really cute. Oh, I actually like that it's small enough to fit my wrists. I don't like loose fitting bracelets. I don't want them to be skin tight. But I don't like bracelets that like flop around a ton. Like this moves a little, but I could actually make it a little smaller too. That's super cute. I used to be like wear all the jewelry kind of gal. I don't anymore because I'm lazy. But this is really cute. Mixed metals. Nice for fall. That's really cute. It's definitely like a little bit heavy, but it's a bunch of chains, so it's not really surprising. Alright, there are two more things. This is the Our House Waffle Blanket. 50 by 60. Did I need another blanket? Yeah, I love blankets. I love this color green. Oh. Beautiful. What are they calling this? They're not giving me the name. This is a nice one because it's nice for sort of a transitional season. It's not very plush, but sometimes even in the summer, I just like having a blanket on me. I don't really need it to be warm, even though I do like being warm. I just like having the blanket. And this is kind of perfect for that. And it might not be so soft that Buster steals it, because Buster steals all of my blankets. And I mean, we let him because he's a precious angel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. I think this is going to be lovely. Like I'm in a cult right now. And then the last item in the box is this APL all-purpose packable backpack, which folds up inside itself. I like the idea of a backpack that isn't necessarily a full-on backpack, because sometimes you want a backpack but you don't need the full-on backpack, but you need something a little larger than a purse. So I like that. I did not realize that this was leopard. I'm not like a huge animal print person. I don't really like animal print actually. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess. So how do you, oh, okay. I see. Oh yeah, it's like full-on leopard too. You know, not my favorite. I thought it was just beige, but it's fine. Isn't it weird? I know I've said this before. I just only want camouflage print. I don't like animal print, even though animal print is animal camouflage. But this is how I live my life. So the retail value of this is $60. It's sort of a, you know, like a nylon material. I think. It's hand wash, line dry. Okay. But this is actually really cute. I mean, it's cute for a leopard, you know. I'm just not like a leopard gal. Just not a leopard gal, okay? So that was my FabFitFun box for fall 2021. Did you guys get this box? If you get this box, what did you customize to choose? I really like that I could choose all the items. I think that's a huge perk to a subscription service, because you want the choice of trying different things that you wouldn't maybe normally try, but you also want to like the things that you're going to try. And with a lot of these subscription services, you don't get that option, and then you end up not using the item. So it's not really worth the cost. So I will use all of these things how we use all of these things, and I love that. Let me know what you guys got in your box, and I will talk to you in the next video.